Meet the EUDELE Shower Caddy 5-pack, the ultimate solution for bathroom storage and home decor. This 5-piece hanging shower organizer set from EUDELE provides ample storage space. It includes 2 shower caddies, 2 soap holders, 1 toothbrush holder, and 5 adhesives. Built with 100% premium SUS 304 stainless steel, each shower caddy is rust-proof, waterproof, and scratch-resistant. These caddies support up to 40 pounds with ultra-strong adhesive, eliminating the need for drilling. Installation is a breeze. Simply clean the surface, stick the adhesive, and hang the caddy. Ideal for smooth surfaces like tiles, marble, glass, and metal. Perfect for the bathroom, kitchen, dorm, or tool room with its sleek and modern design. Top rated with 4.6 stars and over 20,000 reviews.